Welcome to Nightingale Hills by McGuinn Homes, tucked away in a small, quiet, sidewalk community right in the heart of Lexington, South Carolina.
This community features a variety of 1- and 2-story floor plans, ranging from 1,400 to 2,400 square feet.
Let's take a look at one of our feature plans.
All homes feature 9-foot ceilings on the first floor, a gas stove with tile backsplash, and oak stairs, starting in the mid-200s.
These homes also feature luxury vinyl plank flooring in all living areas, quartz or granite countertops, stainless steel appliances, a tankless hot water heater, and blinds.